Do you want to know the secret to getting defined curls that don't puff, frizz, or look like a Jerry curl? Well, today we're walking you through step by step how to perfectly define the curls on your Jolie deep curly half wig. Before you wet the unit, make sure it's completely detangled using a dimming brush or a unbrush. Trust me, this makes all the difference. Thoroughly wet the wig and use a clarifying shampoo to remove dirt, oil, and any product buildup. Always shampoo in a downward motion. Never ball the wig up in your hands and just rub it around like a ball. Hold the wig in the palm and let your fingers glide through the hair as you shampoo and as you rinse it out. Your fingers should always be able to easily glide through the hair. You want to repeat the shampoo process 2 or 3 times with a clarifying shampoo and finish with 1 round of a moisturizing shampoo. Next, you want to apply a generous amount of conditioner. Use as much as you need to really soften the hair. Brush the conditioner through using your dimming brush or your unbrush, and then you want to make sure that you comb the conditioner through starting from the ends, working your way up to the root. You want to rinse thoroughly. Don't leave too much product behind because it can make the curls limp and crunchy, and we definitely don't want that. When you're done rinsing, don't towel dry. Just scrunch out the excess water because we actually want the unit to be very wet for this next step. Now, place the wig on a mannequin head and brush the hair in the direction in which you plan to wear it. For example, our model is going to be wearing more of a side part, so we brushed her slightly to the right so that the right side will be heavier. Then you want to start from the back, working in 2-inch small sections. Brush the section through to ensure there are no tangles, but then also make sure you have a spray bottle handy. In your spray bottle, you want to mix about 90% water and then 10% of your product. It can be foam, it can be a mousse, or it can be a curl cream. Then you want to start finger coiling. Finger coiling is the key to getting the fine curls that do not frizz or look puffy, okay? Now, use as much water as you need as you go through this process because the wig may start to dry out by the time you get to the top. So you will likely need to spray each section that you start to finger coiling. You can expect the coiling process to take about 20 to 25 minutes, but it just depends on the length of your wig. For the best drying results, we highly recommend allowing the wig to air dry. But if you're in a rush, you can use a diffuser, but the diffuser can sometimes cause the curl pattern to look a little frizzy. So once coiled, don't touch it, don't tease it, just let the hair dry and you will get the best results this way. Now, to install your wig, you want to make sure you have a clean, flat braid down and making sure that your anchor braids are secure because you're going to have to hook the combs into the braids. Now, for blending, our model is using a wand curler, or you can opt to do no heat styling where you can do a flat twist at the front, or you can use perm rods. The Jolie Deep Curly Half Wig comes with 5 combs across the front and an adjustable elastic band in the back. You don't have to use every comb, and comfort is key. So if it feels too tight, you can readjust your comb, but you want to always make sure that it does not feel like it's pulling. And my pro tip is to lift up one of the teeth out of the comb and just slide that into your braid. This will be the most comfortable way to install your wig. Now, this next step is really important because when you first put the wig on, you're going to think it looks really flat. So to fluff it, take a pick or use your fingers and gently lift the roots, only at the roots. Don't comb through the curls because of course you'll be combing out the curl and you'll create frizz. Once it's fluffed to your liking, you can finish your edges and do your final touches. The half wig shown here is our 12-inch Jolie deep curly half wig. Wearing the hair all down gives you a soft, natural look that works beautifully for both casual, everyday wear, and formal occasions. Because who said curls aren't for formal looks? Here's another styling option, wearing the wig with a headband. This creates an effortless, casual vibe that's perfect for running errands, hitting the gym, or those days when you just want your hair out of your face. It's also a great look once you've been wearing the wig for a few days and your edges may have poofed up some and the curls have gotten a little bit frizzy. You could just throw on your headband. You can also try half up, half down style. This gives a more playful feel, perfect for workouts, casual outings, or even a night out. The versatility is what makes this wig so fun, so there are truly endless ways to wear this wig. Now, let's talk about heat styling. The Jolie deep curly half wig is made with 100% virgin human hair, which means yes, you can heat style it. You can straighten it, curl it, recurl it, and all of that. But just keep in mind that with frequent heat use, loosening the curl pattern will occur over time. But the good news is that once you shampoo the unit, the curls will bounce right back, but they might just be a little bit looser, just depending upon how often you heat style it. The final look shown here is a 16-inch Jolie deep curly half wig, so you can see the difference in length between the 12-inch and 16-inch and choose which one fits best for your style. Now, another really important tip, we do suggest resetting your unit every few days or whenever you notice the curls starting to frizz or lose their definition. You might also see the wig getting a little bit bigger or experience light matting, which is totally expected since you're unable to comb through your curls every day. And when that happens, just reset your unit by completely wetting the wig, detangling it gently with your unbrush and adding the product of your choice. And then also you can finger coil it if needed to bring those curls back to life. We hope this video was helpful. To shop the full half wig collection, visit GoSleek.com. And for more care instructions, check out the Go Sleek blog while you're there.